One day your car is running perfectly. The next morning you're handed a repair estimate worth thousands of dollars, and it feels like it came out of nowhere. The funny thing is, it didn't. Most major repairs don't happen overnight. Your car usually gives you warning signs long before something fails. The cheapest repair is usually the one you prevent before it happens. That's what this whole mindset is about. And if you enjoy practical car advice that saves money, subscribe, because we go through habits like these all the time. Now, to be fair, every car eventually needs repairs. The goal isn't to avoid every repair, it's to prevent the avoidable ones. Here's what makes the biggest difference. The first one is following your service schedule. That means oil changes on time, fluid replacements when your manufacturer recommends them, and the inspections that catch wear before something breaks. Skipping those intervals is how engines end up needing thousands of dollars worth of work. And this is where many repair bills begin, quietly, months before the actual failure. The second habit is warming up the engine properly. You don't need to sit and idle for 10 minutes anymore. Just avoid aggressive acceleration right after startup. Drive gently until the temperature gauge comes up. That short window protects internal engine components that are expensive to replace. The third habit is never ignoring warning lights. The check engine light, the oil pressure light, the coolant temperature warning, the battery light. They're not suggestions. Most drivers don't realize this until they've already paid for the damage. A little attention now saves a lot later. The fourth habit is protecting the transmission. That means coming to a complete stop before shifting between drive and reverse. It means avoiding abusive driving habits. And it means changing transmission fluid when the manufacturer recommends it. Transmissions are among the most expensive parts of any car, and this small habit protects one of the most expensive parts of your vehicle. The fifth habit is checking fluid levels regularly. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid. It takes a few minutes, costs nothing, and catches problems before they become serious. The surprising part is how inexpensive this maintenance actually is, and how often it's skipped. The sixth habit is maintaining proper tire pressure. Underinflated tires wear out faster, hurt your fuel economy, and put extra strain on your suspension. Overinflated tires lose grip and wear unevenly. The right pressure is on the door sticker, and checking it once a month is genuinely one of the cheapest habits on this list. The seventh habit is keeping the car clean, including the underbody. Road salt, grime, and moisture cause rust, and rust shortens the life of frames, exhaust systems, and brake lines. A wash now and then protects parts that cost serious money to replace. The eighth habit is not skipping small maintenance jobs. Belts, hoses, filters, wiper blades, battery terminals. None of these cost much individually, but each one failing at the wrong time can leave you stranded or trigger a cascade of damage. The good news is, most of these habits cost very little. The ninth habit is using quality replacement parts, OEM parts or trusted aftermarket brands. Cheap components sometimes fail early, and when they fail, they can take other parts with them. That may seem like a minor maintenance choice, but it protects thousands of dollars worth of parts down the line. The 10th habit is driving smoothly. No harsh acceleration, no hard braking, no aimless pothole strikes. Smooth driving reduces wear on brakes, suspension, and tires, and it lowers the chance that small impacts turn into alignment or suspension repairs. The 11th habit is keeping maintenance records. Receipts, service notes, the date something was done. That history raises resale value, supports warranty claims, and helps the next owner understand what has actually been taken care of. The 12th habit is using an OBD scanner when something feels off. These inexpensive readers pull fault codes from your car's computer. Here's something important, though. A code points to a system or an area to investigate. It doesn't always mean that exact part has failed. Treat the code as a starting point, then verify. So which of these 12 jobs do you tend to put off most often? Let me know in the comments. Cars don't usually become expensive overnight. They become expensive when small maintenance tasks are ignored for too long. Stay ahead of problems, take care of your vehicle consistently, and you'll spend far less on repairs while enjoying a safer, more reliable car. Subscribe for more maintenance guides, driving tips, and practical automotive advice that helps your car last longer.